This is a recording using Canva to record myself in Canva, if that makes sense. Today, we'll take a look at a new feature in Canva called Record Yourself. This is slightly different to the one you will find in the presentation mode where you can present and record yourself whilst you're giving the presentation. And that way, when you're done, you can then, save the link and send it to someone or actually download it yourself. To see how this works, let's open up a new design. We're going to choose a video template. And once you're in the video template, you're going to go into your upload. And once you click on upload, you'll see the new button that just beneath upload media, which says record yourself. So once you press record yourself, you get this box that's asking you to set up your camera and microphone. If you haven't already done that, depending on your browser, you'll be asked to give access to grant access to Canva to your microphone and camera. The next step is to set up your camera and microphone. And then once you're happy with that, you will be given a countdown. But once you press start recording, this is a recording using Canva to record myself in Canva, if that makes sense. So once you're happy with your recording, you can then, end the recording, or whilst recording, you could pause it, or you could restart all over again if you're making a mistake. So once you press end recording, you will then have this pop-up box that's giving you three options, which is to save and record another, or save and back to editing, or discard recording. So depending on your choice, you can go ahead and do what you need to do. And if you're happy with what you've recorded, you can just click on the save and back to editing. Now when it goes to the editing part, you can then trim your video to the length you want. You can then add your text and animations and things like that to the video itself, and that way you can have a complete video to upload onto YouTube. Now I have to stress this now, the editing feature here in Canva is very limited, so you can only edit the beginning and the end and nothing in the middle. So if you make a mistake, unfortunately that will be part of the video. However, there is a trimming tool within YouTube that you can use to actually edit your video once it's uploaded. I will show you how to do that in an upcoming video that I'm actually working on at the moment. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, don't forget to like this and share it, and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Take care and God bless.